Hello everyone, you're all very welcome to Galway Atlantaquaria. This is just an update to our social story, and it's just really to do with the new changes in the aquarium. So we do hope you enjoy your visit, but just to let you know that the small changes are that the entrance into the aquarium is changed, and also you will notice that the tourism office is gone as well. So the aquarium experience is still the same, just some small changes we'd like to let you know about. When you come into reception, you will notice that there is a new gift shop in the Ocean Treasures exhibit, and there are small changes to our entrance and exit to the aquarium and where you get your tickets. So this is the exit to the aquarium. This used to be the entrance where the splash was. So the aquarium has moved the entrance to the other side of reception. And so this is the new entrance into the aquarium. So when you come into the aquarium, here is where you'll get your tickets, and staff will direct you through the new entrance into the aquarium. So we do hope you enjoy your visit to the aquarium. There are some small changes, but we just thought we'd let you know about the changes today. So we hope you enjoy your visit to Galway Atlantaquaria. So here is the entrance to the aquarium, and you can enjoy the experience and events, and after that you will exit